Tracking deal value and probability in one view is a game changer for anyone in sales or business development. But here's the thing, most of the tools out there make it complicated. What if I told you there's a way to track everything you need in a single simple view? Stick around until the end, and I'll show you the easiest way to track deal value and probability without overwhelming yourself. Plus, I'll give you an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using to follow along with today's tutorial. Now, let's dive in. The key to tracking deal value and probability in one view is having a unified dashboard where you can see both the potential value of your deals and the likelihood of closing them. If you try to separate these into two different tools, it's easy to miss key insights. That's where our software comes in, everything you need in one place. First, we'll set up a simple pipeline that categorizes your deals. Start by listing each deal and assigning it a potential value. This is the estimated revenue you could make if the deal closes. Don't worry if the numbers aren't perfect, just make your best estimate for now. Next, for each deal, you'll need to assign a probability of closing. This is where it gets interesting. Most software options will have a way for you to set the likelihood of success based on your past experience or stage in the deal. For instance, if you're 80% sure that a deal will close, then you'll set that probability to 80%. Once you have your deals categorized and each deal has a value and probability, you'll want to combine them to track the expected value of each deal. This is essentially the deal's potential revenue multiplied by its probability of success. So, if a deal is worth $10,000 and you think there's a 50% chance of closing, the expected value is $5,000. Now, why does this matter? When you can see the total value of all your deals weighted by their probability, you get a much clearer picture of what your pipeline is actually worth. This helps you prioritize which deals to focus on based on their likelihood to close and the revenue they could bring. Using our software, you can see everything on one screen. The software automatically calculates the weighted value of each deal, giving you an instant view of how much revenue you could potentially earn based on the deals you're working on and their probability of closing. It's a powerful tool that takes the guesswork out of managing your sales pipeline. If you're interested in following along and setting this up yourself, I've linked an exclusive free trial to the software in the description below. You won't find this offer anywhere else, only for viewers of my channel. Key takeaway, tracking deal value and probability in one view is all about making sure you can easily assess the potential revenue from each deal, weighted by how likely it is to close. This helps you make smarter, data-driven decisions about where to focus your time and energy. To quickly recap, set up your pipeline with deal values and probabilities, then calculate the weighted value for each deal. Use a tool like our software to make sure everything is easy to track in one view. And don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.